First day in Krabi. Today we're going to take a walk. Let's go to a 7-Eleven, get something to eat. I have the feeling that it's going to rain, but let's go anyway. I saw that the 7-Eleven is 10 minutes walking, so that's what we're going to do. Sawadika! So I got at some kind of center or the downtown of the city, I guess, and I'm going to take a walk to explore it. This is a baby elephant or something like that. Oh, this is an elephant. So cool. Sometimes I realize when I'm recording there's too many noise around me. I'll have to think how to bypass that. I'm starting to feel the rain starting, so I think I will just walk a little bit and head back to the room. If it starts raining, I cannot do anything. I kind of know this city because I've been here before, but I am far away of the cool part. Okay, BMW. Funny thing about Thailand is that weed is legalized here. So you find weed shops every corner. So now it really started raining, so I'm going to rush back to my room. Just try to get something to eat first, and then the walk is over. Those are the best toasts in Thailand. Just get to any 7-Eleven, you'll find them. There's so many flavors. Young coconut, Taiwan pizza, this is really good. Ham cheese and spinach double sandwich, this is also good. So I got those two toasts. To drink this banana milk is awesome. I'm gonna get one of these. This food is basically $1. It looks pretty heavy. Fried macaroni with chicken, yeah. So I'll take one of these for later. It's crazy that they have so many options. Food. These are the drinks. This is the one I drank yesterday. Really good. They have lots of beverages here. Copenhagen. My last meal was the bread that I ate at the airport in the last video. 24 hours passed, now I'm getting to eat again. Okay. Yeah, the rain finally catch me. I'll try to find some cover to wait the clouds to pass. It's raining heavily, so I have to wait. There's a correlation between rain and bad feelings. When they come, like, you cannot fight against it. There's nothing you can do, really. The best thing you can do is to sit, observe, and watch it pass, because it always passes. Finally the rain passed. Now I can go back to my room, which is like 10 minutes walk. Getting back home, not wet, just a big win of the day. It really rained a lot. Hey man. So it rained, but we are dry. That's cool.